Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you are looking for the best loaning app, here I'm going to show you another golden opportunity to borrow money online with lower rate. So if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. The name of the app we are going to use, as you know, I believe all of you have this app in your mobile device. The name is Palmpay. And this Palmpay is a microfinance bank where you can do financial services such as doing transaction, buying airtime and data. And the most interesting fact about this microfinance app is that you can also take loan from there. Let us open it now. If you have it in your mobile phone, this is how the home page of the Palmpay looks like. And here, if you can see many features here, if you look at the bottom of the screen, the first one is home, followed by finance, followed by reward, and followed by me. In place of home, this is where you can fund your account, doing transactions and doing other services such as recharging, buying data, and doing other bills like recharging your TV and others. But that is not where we're heading to. For you to take loan on Palmpay, you have to click on finance, and when you click on finance, you see your eligibilities. It is of the two different categories here. The first one is flexi limit and the second one is flexi cash, though they are not the same. So when you are going for flexi limit, in this case you can only use this one to recharge and doing it for data purchasing, and at the same time you can use it for betting account funding. That's the only thing you can do with this one. And the most interesting fact is that it does not come with interest, that is, does not come with loan interest. So when you take this one, which is a flexi limit, when you take it, when it is on time, you just have to repay it and there will not be loan interest for you. But for this one, which is flexi cash, which is the one that you can borrow and cash out in your main bank account. So all you need to do is just click on borrow now. When you click on borrow now, it will take you to where you can borrow. So you click on borrow, and as you can see, look at the daily interest. It's just 0.90%. It's very low, right? So just click on borrow now, then it will actually take you to where you can borrow a loan. There are many things here you can consider. The first thing here is where you are going to repay, and as you can see, you are going to repay on 1st of August 2023, which is next 2 months, right? Equivalent to 39 days. And how much you can repay is 5,639. So if you check it very well, the interest is just 1,539. It's very low, right? Yeah. And the other thing to consider is the loan agreement. You have to click on loan agreement and read everything. So it's very necessary to read and understand, though they are somehow bulky, so I'm not going to read it for you. And you can click on direct debit mandate and also read their agreement. When you are done, you come back, you click on next. Then here you are just going to enter your transaction pin, and when you enter your transaction pin, they will credit you. But as at the moment, I don't want to borrow loan, so if you are ready, you just need to do that one by yourself. We'll come back here, and if it is this one, which is flexi limit you want to use, you just have to click on it, and this is your flexi limit. Some people ask, how do I use flexi limit? Because some don't know how to use it. It's very simple. So all you need to do is to go to the homepage of the Palmpay, then you click on if it is airtime you want to purchase or data, you have to click on any of them. Then you select the amount you want to purchase, let's say 2.5 gig, which is 500. Then it will take you to the payment page, and here you can see the flexi credit limit there. That means you are going to make flexi credit limit as your source of payment, right? So you just have to click on pay now, and when you enter your pin, they will deduct it from your flexi limit, you understand? But at the end of the month, you have to repay. So that is how simple it is to take loan from Palmpay without spending anything. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.